Hello, welcome to Tamar Caravan Centre. For this video we're going to be demonstrating the weight and the chassis plate on your caravan. Okay, so we're demonstrating this particular video using a Swift Group caravan. All manufacturers will have a VIN or a chassis plate, something similar to this. So we're just going to run through and explain how the different numbers and what they all mean. So on this particular one, this is the manufacturer, so this one's made by the Swift Group. What it'll do is it'll tell you the model. So this one is in particular is a Sprite Major 4 EB. Underneath that we'll have the VIN. So the VIN is the same as, the VIN number is the same as your chassis number. It's also the same as the CRIS number. You'll have the first section, which basically means that it's made in the UK. Then you'll have the SW, which means that it's made by the Swift Group. And then you'll have the letter or the number after that. So in this case, it's an L. That distinguishes the age of the caravan. After that, the bit we've blanked out here is the actual unique number for the caravan. Okay, so you have the weight plates on the chassis plate. So you have the MRO, which stands for the mass running order. So on this particular van, it's 1,320 kilos. So when the van came from the factory, of all of the items that have been fitted to it, so that includes a spare wheel, all the factory fitted accessories, that's included in the MRO. That's the mass running weight or the mass running order. The next weight that we have is the MTPLM, which stands for the Maximum Technical Permissible Laden Mass. So, in plain English, what that means is that's the maximum your caravan can weigh with the caravan and your load. So on this particular caravan, it's 1,476 kilos. So if you got stopped by the police or VOSA, you cannot be over that weight, 1,476. Caravan and load cannot exceed that weight. That's the maximum load of the caravan. So the next ones on these on this particular VIN plate is the tyre size. So on this particular one, it's a 185 R14C and it's a 102. The tyre pressure, so on this one, it's a 62 psi. On the wheel torque, so the wheel torques are important, and we do advise that you check the wheel torques every time you tow. So the wheel torque for a steel wheel, which is the spare wheel on this particular model, is 88 Newton meters. For the alloy wheel, it's 130 Newton meters.